I'm in my car, and this morning I just had a thought. I looked at my YouTube studio and I noticed that my subscribers grew again. And I can tell you I'm making at the moment, about $30 per day. And all that with YouTube Shorts. So my point is, what if you're doing YouTube wrong? What if you're pushing long form videos right now, but what if you're meant to create shorts and just, try it out and see if it works for you? My point is, my long form videos are getting maybe like 5 views. And I've been publishing videos since 2021 on a regular basis. So I can tell you that I'm not just posting once a month and like praying the YouTube gods that my videos are going to be pushed. I'm actually putting the work. I'm trying to improve my thumbnails all the time. I am consistently publishing at least twice a week. So I do put the effort in trying to grow my channel. But I can tell you one thing is that I started to publish YouTube Shorts about a month ago now. And in September, I'm about to hit $2,000 of revenue with just shorts. So my point is, maybe, I was doing YouTube wrong. Maybe I should have focused from the start with YouTube Shorts. I mean, from the start, it didn't exist back then, but now, like, YouTube is really pushing short videos. And I cannot, I tried it out because I was listening to all the YouTube gurus saying that you should not create shorts because it's gonna impact your long form videos. And maybe that is true, and maybe that's why I'm not growing with my long form videos. But the truth is, it takes me not much effort to create my shorts, and I'm actually like hitting at least 1,000 views per short. I'm right now publishing about 5 a day, um, and they're 5 seconds long, so they're not even long. But you know what? Like, they're making me money, and my goal with YouTube is to grow my channel. Of course, it's to show you what I'm doing and what's been working for me lately. So, like, yes, I still want to create long form videos because I do believe they're in the long run they're better than short form videos, because you can create evergreen videos that are going to be there forever and generate revenue in the long run. Yes, so long form videos are always going to be my number one goal. But in the meantime, I think that since YouTube is now pushing shorts, I want to ride the wave and see where it goes. So yeah, so I just wanted to share with you my experience with that. And like, if you haven't thought about creating short videos, I know like a lot of people, they just hate it like the plague. They don't want to create short form videos because yes, it can maybe hurt your channel. And I don't know if that is true or not. I'll share with you my experience with that. But for now, I mean, for someone who was barely making $10 per month with YouTube, having a month hitting $2,000 just with short form videos, yeah, that's good. So, you know what? I'm just gonna ride the wave. I encourage people to maybe try it out because maybe you will enjoy creating short form videos. It doesn't take much time. There's literally no editing at all. I'm just reposting what I'm creating already for my Instagram channel. And I'm pretty sure all of you guys already have an Instagram channel or a TikTok channel, and it would be like doing the same thing, just reposting your TikTok video on your YouTube channel. They're my own videos. I'm not like reposting other people videos, but they're not long. So I don't know why people just hate it like the plague. Honestly, like I'm one person who's gonna always say, try it before judging. And I wanted to try, and I was pleasantly surprised looking at my YouTube studio. So I will continue to post long form videos for sure, but I will not stop posting short form videos, even though people are saying that it is not good for your long form videos. So, if you haven't tried and if your goal is to grow your channel and to create some sort of revenue, try, because maybe that's something that will really be beneficial to your channel. You will grow faster. Maybe your long form videos are going to be viewed because your short form videos are pushing your channel out there. So try and see where it goes for you. For me, I'm not stopping. I like it. It's been great for me. So, you know, I don't care whatever people say about that. As long as it's working for me, I'm gonna continue doing it. If it stops growing, if my videos are not pushed anymore and I'm not hitting at least 1,000 views per YouTube short, maybe I will stop. But until then, it's been great for me, and I don't see why you will just ignore the fact that this can generate revenue. The proof is in the pudding. I've been hitting 2000 for September. The month is not finished, and yeah, I'm happy about that. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.